Hello everyone. Happy New Year 2024 to you all. I wish you all the best. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a fun Instagram story using Hello 2024 Add Yours stickers. With these simple steps, you can add originality and charm to your stories, sharing the holiday spirit with your followers. Whether you're on iOS or Android, follow the instructions to ensure your stories shine in the spirit of 2024. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First, go to the Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If not, click Update and wait a few seconds for the Instagram app to update. Once you've done that, open your Instagram app. Click on the magnifying glass to open the search and type in Add Your Sticks. Find the profile with the name Add Yours IG and click on it. Once you've done that, enter the highlighted post named January 2024 and simply go through it until you see Hello 2024, then click on the Add Yours option. Now, you can take a photo or video using the camera or upload from your gallery if you prefer. After you've done that, you can share the story with your friends or family. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, press like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.